Hi, my name is Jeanette. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist with Lifespan Community Health Institute. Welcome to our food prep demonstration. This has been made possible by a collaboration between Lifespan Community Health Institute and the Rhode Island WIC program. I will be highlighting some foods from the WIC approved food list. They are healthy, nutritious, and so easy to make. Today we're making spicy tuna wraps. First, we take our tuna fish, and you can use any tuna fish that your family prefers. You could even use canned chicken if you like, or leftover chicken. We have some onions diced up. We have some celery. And for a little twist today, we're adding some yogurt. Normally you may put mayonnaise, but we're going to use yogurt because yogurt is high in calcium and it's a better choice. It's very low in fat as well. And you add a little salt and pepper to your taste. You're going to mix that up really quickly. You see how fast it's taking to just make this simply? Now, we did say spicy tuna wrap, so we're adding a little bit of sriracha sauce. However, feel free to omit that if you don't like things spicy. We're going to mix that up well. Okay. Tuna fish is a very good high protein source. It's relatively inexpensive, so it's a good choice for your family. And we have a whole wheat wrap here. So we're going to take one slice of our romaine lettuce. We're going to put it on our wrap. And then we're just going to add our tuna fish to the top of the lettuce just to prevent it from getting a little soggy on the bottom. I'm going to add it like that. Then we have some nice sliced tomatoes here. We'll put a few tomatoes on there. Okay. And then very simply, we wrap it up, hold our ends in, and we turn it over, and we end up with a beautiful wrap just like this. Now, there's always someone in your family who may not like one of the ingredients that's included in the recipe, so feel free to change it up, make substitutions. If you're not quite sure how to do that, check in with your nutritionist. I hope you take advantage of it. Enjoy.